guys! Today I'm going to show you how I transform into Harley Quinn from Birds of Prey. First, I'm going to start with a Clown White Mayron Cream face paint. I don't apply it on too thick, I just want to create a light paler effect to match her makeup in the movie. Keep applying it lightly all over your face and neck as well. Then, to warm up the tone of the white face paint a bit, I brush on some light yellow powder. Then I use a darker beige powder to contour my face, starting with my cheekbones to make them more defined, around my nose, and the tip of my nose as well. I drag it up from the edge of my eye to the temples of my face, and I define my jawline as well. Next, I use the shimmery powder from SURREAL makeup as a highlighter. I highlight my chin, the top of my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, above my eyebrows, and I blend it all in. Next, I'm going to apply these fun temporary tattoos. Be sure to check out the description for all the links to the awesome creator of the tattoos and where you can get them yourself. First, I take a cutout of the word rotten and stick it on my jawline. Then I take a wet paper towel and gently wet the paper of the tattoo until it easily slides off. I dust over it with a sheer powder. Then I use some foundation to blend in the edges. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a brown eyebrow gel. Her eyebrows don't have a sharp arch, but they are very full, so I fill them in pretty thick. Also, I do the same thing for the other brow. Next, I apply a light blue eyeshadow to my upper eyelids, and under my eyes too. Then, I fill in my waterline with a black eyeliner, and I draw a thick wing as well. To make it look a little more blended and messy, I use a charcoal colored eyeshadow. I also apply some more highlighter under my eyebrow and down my nose. Then I finish lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner to make it darker. And I lightly touch up the blue eyeshadow under my eye. Next, I'm using an awesome red lip stain. I'm filling in my lips and letting it sit while it stains. While I wait, I'm going to apply a little heart tattoo under my eye. I do the same thing as before by carefully wetting it until it slides off. Then I wipe away the excess lip stain. As you can see, it stays put despite me trying to wipe it off. Next, I use a dark liner pencil and line my lips. Then I use this deep red lipstick from SURREAL makeup to fill in my lips. I blend and smudge my eyeliner a little bit more. Then I glue on some false lashes. I cut the lashes in half because I wanted to keep it subtle. If you don't have lashes or don't want to wear them, you can totally skip this step. Now I'm going to put in my colored contact lenses. As you can see, they are very dramatic and look pretty natural as well. I will add a link to where I got them in the description. Now I'm going to apply a heavy coat of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now let's move on to the wig. Before I put on my wig, first I put on 2 wig caps. I clip the wig cap down so it doesn't slide around. And I put on a second wig cap because I have a lot of hair and this really helps compress it. I actually styled my wig myself. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'll be sure to show you how I styled it in my next video. And I adjust it till I'm happy with the placement. Then I use an Elmer's glue stick to protect my hair. Then I use Prozade adhesive to stick the hair to my face. This holds the hair in place and also makes the wig sit more naturally. I add some face paint to my ears so they match. Then I finish applying the tattoos to the rest of my body. Again, the link is in the description. And I throw on some accessories. And that's pretty much it for the makeup look. Stay tuned if you want to see how I did her costumes. You can get these awesome gold diamond overalls at fun.com. where you can also find the pink crop top and the super cool chain necklace. Be sure to check out the links in the description. For the shoes, I just took a pair of boots that I owned and painted them gold with diamonds to match. And that's it for this costume. Next, I'm going to show you how I did another costume of hers, which is this cool t-shirt and shorts. I'll add a link to where you can get the t-shirt in the description. And I'll show you how I made the rest of it. First, let's start with these high-waisted shorts I found on Amazon. I traced with some chalk how short I want to cut them and where I need to put the holes. Then I cut off the excess. You want these looking ripped up, so you don't need clean cuts. In fact, we're going to make them look even rougher. I do tiny little snips with my scissors to the edge of the shorts. Then I use a firm bristle brush to fray the edges by roughly brushing back and forth in different directions. Next, I use this string that you can get for like $1 at Walmart. Then I use the hook side of Velcro to catch the threads so I'm able to sew them down. Next, I'm using chalk to trace where I need to add the stripes and stars. Once I'm happy with the placement, I begin to paint on the details. I freehand all the black stripes with some black acrylic craft paint. Then I trace the stars and paint them all white. Also, the stars are not symmetrical and don't match each other. The white paint makes them look more vivid when you paint over them with red. Then I paint them all red. Now I'm going to show you how I made the belt. First, I just took a metal circle and looped the black vinyl through it on both sides. Then I got creative and used a belt buckle and a metal ring and put them together to make a lock shape. Then I filled in the gaps by hot gluing on some craft foam. I put some little metal studs on the ends of the belt. I paint the lock silver and attach all the rings together. Here's what it all looks like finished. I also made these suspenders, but they're pretty self-explanatory. Now I'll show you how I made these tights. I'll add a link to where I got these durable tights in the description. You can find them in different shades to match the skin tone you want. I really didn't want to manually apply tattoos every time I got dressed as Harley. So I got these tights and drew on tattoos myself with black fabric marker. I looked at lots of reference and tried to recreate it to the best of my ability. I was really happy with the results. And it was really fun to study all her tattoos. Now I'm going to show you how I did the shoes. I just found some cheap ones in a similar shape and length, and I painted them white with acrylic craft paint. And I touched up the soles of the shoes with some black paint. And that's pretty much it for these costumes. I actually have a pattern for her hammer available on my website. You can download it and print it at home. I will add a link in the description. Leave a comment letting me know if you would like to see a tutorial for it. I'd be happy to make a video showing how I made the hammer if anyone is interested. She has so many cool outfits in the movie and I know I'll want to make more of them. But these were actually really simple to get my hands on. I hope you enjoyed the makeup and costume tutorial. Be sure to check out the description because I always add a lot of helpful links to make it easier for you to find what you need. I love Harley Quinn, and dressing up as her is so much fun because her personality suits me so well. I have plenty of different cosplay videos and tutorials on my channel, so feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!